Welcome to the channel, guys. So today I'll do a quick video on TNT. I saw some of the comments in the in my channel asking for TNT as well. Again, I had TNT like in my portfolio some time back, but one of my stop loss was triggered. I think somewhere here. So then, like it was sold. But I'm keeping a very close eye on TNT since I believe this will go up, but still it is not going up. That's the issue. Anyway, let's have a quick look. So as you can see, there was a big pump here around July 2020. Then it went all the way up. Then sort of coming down, try to go up, but it's not doesn't have that momentum to go up. As you let's say as you can see, I have marked few levels here. See, this is one support level because it's sort of supported here, and I mark support box here. Probably will go to the daily. You can see a bit clearly. See this area where the support box is what do you call very this stock has been supported in that area few times, like here, around this area, then broken down but came back up. Sort of this box has acted that time as a resistance, then go back up, but went up, managed to go up, gapped up and go up, then trying to go up again, came down again. Sort of this box has been support for this stock. So this area prices are like, let's say $2 to 2.20 2 cents, is it 20 cents, 20 cents to 22 cents sort of area is a good support area for this stock. And if you can see, I have marked another two levels. This is on one level. See here, when it came down, this 23 cents acted as a support, so that's why I just marked that level. And you can see there's another support level here, 26 cents. Overall, I believe this TNT will do better in the future, but for me to get in again, either it has to go to this price box so I buy cheaper, or it has to close above this line at least few weeks. This is a daily chart. I'll go back to weekly. Yeah, I prefer to close above this here, or even above here, just to get back in, because this is not going anywhere at this stage. That's how I sort of see. Try to go up, then came down. Yeah, doesn't provide any direction at this stage. Only thing is it didn't come below this support box. That's a good sign. Yeah, so it's like a watching what do you call it? Watch list stock. Yeah, at this stage, yeah, you have to keep watching and see if you want to enter into the TNT and or not, because for me I can't see much happening. Only thing is the support, in support box has been working. Sorry. um yeah, because I expect it will find resistance around this area when it goes up. And the volume also not much volume. See here, you can see big volume bars. Now volume has dried out. RSI is sitting around 42, so it's what you call not not oversold, not so it's bit to the bottom side. So when RSI is around that time, there's a here sort of, that's the before the previous, like before that move up. But RSI has been bit around that area for this stock in the past. So yeah, personally I think it's a watch and act sort of a stock. Nothing much happening. Yeah, another stock one someone asked was A2 milk. I have done videos before, but recently when you look here, still going down. This is a support resistance box I have created. So for me again, same thing here. I need this stock to close above this support box few weeks to make for me to enter to this stock again. But the good thing is volume has increased in A2 milk, not like a TNT. And you can see RSI also making sort of higher lows. So that is a good sign. So people are buying this stock again. But you can see now hit this box. Now it has acted as a resistance at this stage and pushed back. So again, yeah, it's another watch list stock. At this stage, I can't see anything happening here with this one. Only good sign I can see is the volume is increasing. RSI is going in the right direction. So yeah, if you want to buy, you can buy it, and this may be the your what you call the stop loss level. Yeah, for me personally, to get a direction, like to make sure it is going up, I like to close above this box for 1 or 2 weeks. Then I can buy it and put a stop loss below my box, like $6.34, $6.30 sort of stop loss. But at this stage, it is sort of going sideways. Yeah, I can't say much other than that. Just again another watch list stock. Someone asked me Mesoblast. Mesoblast also another stock. You can see it's. I bought this stock few months back. I made some money. Then I didn't bother buying it. It is more what do you call very speculative stock. They are doing some tests, but I don't know whether they have made success or not. Anyway, you can see from the chart, it's very volatile stock, going up, down. Then you can make big moves up, same big moves down. Now I mark this level as a support. Now it has broken that support level. So the next support is around $1 mark. I have a feeling volume is drying, RSI is going down. this will come down around $1 if anyone want to buy. Another stock I was asked is Archer Material, AXE. Again, you can see, so there was support here, but now it has broken, so probably an RSI is heading down. Probably this may come and retest this previous resistance. I believe it may come around, sorry, I'll remove the magnet, this area and retest this resistance. Hopefully it will act as a support, then start going up. That's what I expect. Volume wise also there were big, sort of not that big, like some reasonably big volume, not much to talk about with volume. So again, I personally think this will come and retest this resistance or get closer and start going up. CRO, sorry, again same thing. CRO also reaching that support level here. Not much again to say. Sorry, it is reaching that support. If anyone want, you can buy, put a stop loss around 0.048, that level, then yeah, go from there. I don't know what they are doing actually. Another one is ARU. So you can see the support level sort of going up, kept up. Now it is again seems coming up, sorry, down. See this big move, volume picked up. This move also volume picked up. RSI is going up. I have a feeling it may come slightly down and fill this gap, this area, then go up. Let's have a look at daily. Yeah, see, you can see there's a support around, let's say, roughly around here. So it may come down up to that mark or this previous resistance around this area, and go back up maybe. But again, so the big resistance for this stock is here, 30 cents. Once it is up 30 cents, yeah, then that's good for that stock. At this stage, it's sort of have to see, wait and see. Again, I don't know how. I believe resources, so maybe mining stock. Yeah, that's all the stocks you guys asked me in the comments. I'll like I did my best to sort of explain. Some stocks I have never heard, not in my radar. Some like TNT, A2 Milk, Mesoblast, sort of I knew I had traded before. Yeah, okay. If you have any other stocks you want me to have a look, please let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for the support you provide to the channel. Thanks.